Layered bob haircuts. The most frequently asked questions and answers. If you're a woman who's considering a fresh and stylish haircut, you've likely come across the term layered bob. This trendy hairstyle has gained immense popularity in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. In this video, we'll delve into the world of layered bob haircuts and address the most common questions women have about this chic hairstyle. 1. What is a layered bob haircut? A layered bob is a versatile and stylish haircut characterized by shorter hair in the back that gradually lengthens towards the front. This layered effect adds volume, texture, and movement to the hair. 2. Is a layered bob suitable for my face shape? Layered bobs are incredibly versatile and can complement various face shapes, including round, oval, square, and heart-shaped faces. Your hairstylist can tailor the cut to suit your unique features. 3. How short can a layered bob haircut be? The length of a layered bob can vary, but it typically falls between the chin and shoulders. However, you can customize the length to your preference, as long as it maintains the layered structure. 4. Will a layered bob work for my hair type? Layered bobs work well with most hair types, including straight, wavy, and curly hair. Your stylist will adjust the layers to suit your hair's natural texture. 5. Are layered bobs easy to maintain? Layered bobs are relatively low maintenance. Regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks will keep the style looking fresh, and styling is often quick and easy. 6. Can I customize my layered bob? Absolutely. You can personalize your layered bob with various styling techniques, such as beach waves, curls, or straightening. 7. What are the advantages of a layered bob? Adds volume and dimension to your hair. Offers versatility in styling options. Can complement various face shapes. Creates a trendy and youthful appearance. 8. Are there any disadvantages to consider? Requires regular trims for maintenance. May not be suitable for extremely fine hair. Some variations can be challenging to style at home. 9. How should I style a layered bob? Styling a layered bob is easy. You can blow dry for a sleek look or use a curling iron for added texture. Experiment with different styles to find what suits you best. 10. Can I add bangs to a layered bob? Yes, you can incorporate bangs into your layered bob for a more dynamic look. Consult with your stylist to find the right bang style for you. 11. Are layered bobs suitable for all ages? Layered bobs are ageless and can be adapted to suit women of all ages. Your stylist can adjust the cut to match your style and age gracefully. 12. What are some celebrity-inspired layered bob looks? Celebrities like Taylor Swift, Emma Stone, and Jennifer Aniston have showcased stunning layered bob hairstyles, providing inspiration for your own look. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.